my insured this morning and discussed your request for disclosure of the BI policy limits, and he is going to give us permission for that. So I wanted to go ahead and let you know over the phone that we have 300, 500 on bodily injury.
An insurance company gave me the policy limits? So if you don't know, if you're involved in a car accident and you're going after the driver who caused the accident's insurance policy, there's only a certain amount of limits that you can go after. The law is set up in a way that even if your case is worth $500,000, but the insurance company only has like $100,000 in policy limits, by law, the insurance company only has to give you their policy limits. So oftentimes, clients are getting medical treatment and they're going through the car accident case process and they're not sure if their value is getting above the limits of the other driver. At this moment in time, you want to find out what the policy limits are, but that is not an easy thing to do. There are some states that have to disclose it if you ask, but most states do not have to disclose it. So when you ask, they will tell you that they cannot do so. Here's a couple different ways you can get the policy limits for your car accident case. Number one, if you tell the insurance company that you want them, they will go back to their insured and ask their insured if it's okay to release them to you. Most of the time they say no, but in this specific case, they said yes. Oh my. Second option is if you know how to talk to the adjuster, if you know how to phrase your language in a specific way, you may not get the policy limits, but you may be able to find out what the policy limits are not, which will then in turn give you an idea of what they are. And number three, there's a lot of middleman research companies out there. I have no idea how they do it, but they run the data and the numbers and blah, 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 and they find out how much the policy limits are of a specific driver. These are not always guaranteed, but the companies that I've worked with, they're like 85% accurate around there. So usually they're pretty good. Anyway, in this specific case, we have $300,000 per person, $500,000 per accident. This is a really great thing for our clients because our clients actually have injuries that warrant these type of limits. You know, sometimes you find out, oh, there's $500,000 in limits, but your client has like $5,000 in medical bills, so it doesn't really matter. In this case, they have excruciating injuries. One of them is going to have to get surgery. So having these limits available to them is a really great thing because now they're going to be able to get the medical treatment that they need. They're going to be able to get the true value of their settlement. And it's a great thing. If you'd like a free case evaluation, feel free to reach out anytime. 832-925-2030. God bless you. Have a good day.